Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Burberry. So let me take you to their website, which is burberry.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Burberry is a British luxury fashion brand known for its trench coats and signature check pattern. The site offers a wide range of high-end products, including clothing, bags, footwear, accessories, and fragrances for men, women, and children. It also features the latest collection, brand news, and global shipping options. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, buy anything that you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. And as usual, we are here to earn money from Burberry. Possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Burberry and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, as usual, you'll get the commission. So, affiliate from which country can join their affiliate program? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So, regardless of your country, you can apply to be a part of Burberry affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to get commission? There is a restriction. So you will only be able to get commission if you are bringing sales to Burberry from the consumers of Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Japan, United Kingdom, and United States. So let's talk about joining the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Sovan, or rather Sovan Commerce. Now, what is Sovan Commerce and what does that have to do with Burberry? Sovan Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And what is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of a specific brands, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to be a part of Burberry affiliate program, you must create an affiliate account with Sovan Commerce. And how do you do that? You simply come to the website. You'll find the link in the video description as well. Over here, you can hover over sign up. You can click on commerce. It will take you to the sign up page. Once here, you can give the details and you can create yourself a Soban Commerce affiliate account. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when you are creating an affiliate account with any affiliate marketing network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Soban Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account of Sovan Commerce. Once you have an account with them, simply come to the website once again, and this time click on sign in and commerce and enter your credentials. Once you've entered the credential, it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a Sovan Commerce affiliate dashboard. This is a platform where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Burberry. But the focus of our video is Burberry affiliate program. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on merchants, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can go to merchants, and in the search bar, you can type in Burberry, followed by an enter, and it will load the Burberry affiliate program for you. Once it's loaded, you can click on their name and it will open more details about the affiliate program. As you can see here, you can select the country to see specific rates, but let's keep all countries for now. If you look at commission rates, you can see 7% commission. That means if you're bringing sales to Burberry, you could end up getting 7% commission on that. This is great. And if you scroll down, you can click on network rates and you can see 7 or even between 7 to 9% on some goods. So this is good. It's not just 7%. You could even get some more. There are some selective products for that. And then if you click on domains, you can see these are different domains of Burberry. Basically, you can promote any of these domains and it should track your performance. Then comes countries. You can click on countries and these are the countries. So we were talking about it. This means you would only be able to get commission if you're bringing sales to Burberry from the consumers of these countries. And then if you want to have more details, click on description just to have a quick description about them. All right, so you have read it all. Now you want to apply to the affiliate program of Burberry. How do you do that? Well, you don't have to. And that's the beauty about this network. Once you have been approved in the network, you can basically promote any brands available on the network, including Burberry. So how do you promote them? You can't just take any link from their website and promote them. You have to use tracking link. For example, let's say if you want to promote their homepage, you can copy this link, but you can't just use this link directly. You have to use tracking link. And how do you create tracking link? Once you're on the Burberry affiliate program section, you can click on create a link here. You can select your site from here. So I'm going to select my YouTube channel. You have an option to even select more sites, assuming you have given to Sovan Commerce and you have had it approved. So you can mention the product URL in here. That means the homepage URL. You can mention here, let's say Burberry homepage. It depends on you what name you want to give, and then you can click on create. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for you, and Let me show it to you. So this is a tracking link it created. And if you share this link with anyone, let's say through social media or through any way, it will take them to Burberry homepage. Why? Because the link was created for the homepage. So this is how you can create the tracking link for any of the web page from Burberry website. Now, all the tracking links that you have created, you can click on create from here. You can go to links and you would be able to locate all the links that you've created in this section. Now, you have learned how to create your tracking link. The question arises, where can you promote Burberry? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. But you have to ensure all these places, wherever you plan to promote Burberry, it has been approved by Sovereign Commerce. This is super important. So there are a few ways. One of the ways is website. You can basically put the link of Burberry anywhere on your website. It could be homepage, it could be a category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, go ahead with it. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing. You could write different blog posts about different product of Burberry, and within that blog post itself, you can mention your tracking links. So this way, when people would read your blog post, if they would like the product, they'll click on the link and you will end up getting a commission if they buy the product through your tracking link. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could do different things on social media. Maybe you create videos on different products of Burberry, or maybe you create reels, stories, post, and just put your tracking link in the description or the comment. Up to you. Fourth way is fashion apparel website. Let's say as an affiliate, you have a fashion and apparel website. It would be great here because people come to these kind of website to look for different fashion available out there. So maybe you create a standalone section just for clothing or just for trench coat and probably put the products of Burberry in there. Now, let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to Sovereign Commerce dashboard once again. Once you're here, you have to click on analytics and you can click on overview. So it will show you the overview of your performance. You will be able to see revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate, EPC, click-through rate, and page views. You can click on any of these metrics to see the performance accordingly. And not just that, if you scroll down, you would be able to see revenue by merchant. You can click on view all merchant and even get the details of all the merchant. Same way, you can go to different metrics and you can run it. You can also change the date range here. You can use different sites performance. You can click on filters and apply different filters to see the performance accordingly. You can also send this report to yourself by clicking on report, generating reports using these features, and send it to yourself if you like. Then you got revenue, so you can come here and you would be able to see revenue in a bit different way. So let's wait for it to load. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, you would be able to see merchant performance, and these are all the revenue. Like you would be able to see revenue, click, sales, actions, EPC for different brands available, of course, that you have been promoting. So this is how you will see your performance, but how would you receive the commission that Sovereign Commerce have been receiving from brands? You would be able to get it through different payment methods, and to have it updated, you can look at the bottom left hand side and you can click on this icon. From here, you can click on payment. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can update your address, payment method, tax form, and that's it. Once you've updated these details, you can expect to receive the commission based on the payment method you have selected. And by the way, there are 4 payment methods available. That is check, PayPal, wire transfer, and local bank transfer. So you can go with any of these payment method. And all the commission that have been issued to you per your selected payment method, you would be able to see the history of that in here within the payment history section. You would be able to see earning month, how much was your earning, was there any adjustment done, what was the payment amount, the actual payment amount to you, and what is expected payment date. Right, so this is how you can find the affiliate program of Burberry, start creating tracking links, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Burberry. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.